When you go and get a Tesla car, you're honestly expecting a lot from it, no doubt.
No doubt.
Not the least of which is because it is a ride that is offering a lot, including being a fully electric car. Plus, Tesla is known for their safety features and being able to go and innovate in other areas. A key one that they are trying to do is their Autopilot feature, which is a form of self-driving. It is also able to go and do self-braking, further adding to its safety features. But what does all of this mean? Allow us to break down how Tesla's Autopilot works. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. What is Autopilot? So let's get right to the heart of the matter. What is Autopilot, and why should you care about it? Here is a brief overview of it from Tesla. Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that enhances safety and convenience behind the wheel. When used properly, Autopilot reduces your overall workload as a driver. 8 external cameras, a radar, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a powerful onboard computer provide an additional layer of safety to guide you on your journey. Cars built between September 2014 and October 2016 include 1 camera and less powerful radar and ultrasonic sensors. So in short, it's like many other cars out there on the road today, and that the Tesla vehicles are able to monitor the road and help you when you make a small mistake or don't see something on the road. But it does go beyond that with their full self-driving capability. The car can also be summoned to your location, despite it being far away, be able to identify street signs and stoplights, help you get onto off-ramps, and even give you lane suggestions and more.
More?
Though there is a catch. The currently enabled features require active driver supervision and do not make the vehicle autonomous. The activation and use of these features are dependent on achieving reliability far in excess of human drivers, as demonstrated by billions of miles of experience, as well as regulatory approval, which may take longer in some jurisdictions. As these self-driving features evolve, your car will be continuously upgraded through over-the-air software updates. So yeah, it's not a full self-driving car as of yet, but it is getting there, and it has a lot to offer you if you break it down step by step. Let's start with safety features. As noted earlier, Tesla cars are known for their safety features. They constantly and consistently get 5-star safety ratings, and the Autopilot also brings more safety to the list, including automatic emergency braking, detects cars or obstacles that the car may impact and applies the brakes accordingly. Front collision warning, warns of impending collisions with slower moving or stationary cars. Side collision warning, warns of potential collisions with obstacles alongside the car. Obstacle aware acceleration, automatically reduces acceleration when an obstacle is detected in front of your car while driving at low speeds. Blind spot monitoring, warns when a car or obstacle is detected when changing lanes. Lane departure avoidance, applies corrective steering to keep your car in the intended lane. Emergency lane departure avoidance, steers your car back into the driving lane when it detects that your car is departing its lane and there could be a collision. Now, some of these are standard in other car models, but it is still no less impressive, especially since some of these features can save your life on the road, and Tesla didn't have to go and implement them at all. But they did so because they want to keep drivers safe. Traffic light and stop sign control. Easily one of the more interesting aspects of the Autopilot feature that is coming, it's still in beta apparently, is to detect and understand the upcoming stop signs and stop lights. Traffic light and stop sign control identifies stop signs and traffic lights and automatically slows your car to a stop upon approach while using Autopilot, with your active supervision. When traffic light and stop control, beta, is enabled, the driving visualization displays upcoming traffic lights, stop signs, or road markings at intersections where your car may need to stop. As you approach an intersection, even if the traffic light is green, your car will display a red line to indicate where the vehicle will stop, and the vehicle will begin to slow. At this time, traffic light and stop sign control does not turn the vehicle, whether you are in a turn lane or have your blinker on. That last line is key because it indicates that they are planning to make it to where you can go and turn it with just your car doing the work. But going and having your car understand the upcoming stoplights and stop signs, as well as showing off which ones are coming up on your viewing monitor, is a pretty cool thing, and one that many drivers will appreciate. Smart Summon. Have you ever wanted your car just to come to you by using your phone? Well, part of Autopilot is the Smart Summon feature, and it goes like this. Smart Summon is designed to allow your car to drive to you or a location of your choosing, maneuvering around and stopping for objects as necessary. Like Summon, Smart Summon is only intended for use in private parking lots and driveways. You are still responsible for your car and must monitor it and its surroundings at all times, and be within your line of sight because it may not detect all obstacles. Be especially careful around quick-moving people, bicycles, and cars. To activate the feature, press and hold the Come to Me button. Alternatively, tap the target icon, set the target destination of your choice by adjusting the map, and then press and hold the Go to Target button. You can stop your car from driving at any time by releasing the button. Smart Summon works with your Tesla app and your phone's GPS to operate. You must be within approximately 200 feet of your car to use. Smart Summon requires the latest version of the Tesla mobile app. In many ways, this is the true beginning of self-driving cars for Tesla because they're willing to have the car drive out of a parking spot and come to you, which is a bit limiting but also interesting and can lead to some big advancements going forward. And if this is the start of things to come, you can imagine where they'll go once the right advancements are in place. Autopark. A now classic feature in many cars, Autopark is exactly what you think. It'll go and park your car for you with some Tesla touches, of course. If your car sees a parking spot, a gray P icon will appear on the left or right hand side of your instrument panel, depending on the location of the space. Autopark detects parallel parking locations when driving below 15 miles per hour and perpendicular parking locations when driving below 10 miles per hour. To use Autopark at that time, press on the brake and shift the gear selector into reverse. Keep your foot on the brake. Start Autopark will appear in blue text on your touchscreen. Press this to start the feature and release the brake and steering wheel. Autopark will then begin to maneuver the vehicle into the parking space by controlling your car's speed, gear changes, and steering angle. But you should remember to be alert and monitor the backup camera view to check for obstacles. Once Autopark is complete, the car will let you know it is complete and then shift into park. You can override Autopark at any time by taking control of the steering wheel. Given how much trouble people have at parking at times, this feature is a must, especially in a Tesla vehicle, just saying. Navigate on Autopilot. Another feature in beta currently is that of Navigate on Autopilot, and here is a description of that. Navigate on Autopilot is designed to get you to your destination more efficiently by actively guiding your car from on-ramp to off-ramp, including suggesting and making lane changes, navigating highway interchanges, and taking exits. It's designed to make finding and following the most efficient path to your destination even easier on the highway when Autopilot is in use. Pretty nice feature. It's more of an upgrade at Google Maps, if you will, and something that Elon Musk no doubt is very proud of. It is still in beta, but the full version will be even more refined, no doubt. What this says about Tesla cars. So now that you've seen the many features of the Autopilot feature on the Tesla, what does all of it mean? Well, it means that Tesla is trying to make the most advanced cars on the planet, so much so that they're testing all sorts of interesting and new features to make the car safer, more reliable, and more efficient, which if you think about it, is the overall goal of Tesla itself. So while some of these features are incomplete as of now, they'll keep getting worked on until eventually Tesla has fully functional self-driving car. So what do you think? What do you think of this look at Tesla's Autopilot and self-braking features and how they work? Do you think that these features make Tesla cars more advanced, safer, and worthy of driving? Do you think that they're honestly able to crack the true self-driving issue? Or do you think they'll just keep dancing around with what they can to make it work? Let us know in the comments below, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.